G'day and thanks for tuning into this week's video. This week I want to share with you a neat little investment app which I personally use, and I thought it would benefit our clients and everyone out there as well. The app is called Acorns, and the concept behind it is that it automatically invests all your small change. Now what we have to do is firstly download the app to one of your a smartphone. So if you've got an Apple phone or a smartphone that's similar, jump onto the App Store and download it. Once again, it's called Acorns. Now from there we link it to a transaction account that we have with the bank. Now how I've got it set up is it's rounded up to the nearest dollar and it invests the difference. So as an example, if I spend a transaction, say if I'm going to the supermarket and if I spend $22.75, it will round that transaction up to $23, so that 25 cents extra will then be deducted and put into this Acorns account. Now this happens every transaction for as long as you want. So if you've got a target that you want to reach, let's say if you want to save a few $100s for a specific purpose, you can withdraw that amount at any time. You'll be surprised how quickly you can accrue just that small change into a lump sum that can really help out. And let's say if that's at a birthdays or car registration or even around Christmas time. Personally, I set the app up on my phone about 12 months ago for Christmas, and we made a pretty decent withdrawal and helped cover some of those costs. So it was really quite handy and is something that helped out at the time. So yeah, the idea, as I said before, is that it invests that small change. So the example at the supermarket, you could be shopping anywhere. Whatever difference it is to make up to that nearest dollar is what this Acorns app will invest. Now once it gets a hold of all this small change, it'll go into its own app account and will then be invested on your behalf. And you've got a bit of say of how you'd like that money to be invested, if it's conservative or if it's growth. There are some small fees associated with running that, such as investment costs, but they're quite minimal. And there's flexibility if you're start to get comfortable using the app and you want to invest a little bit more money into this small investment holding. You can have direct contributions going in and set to an amount that you like. So it is quite a handy app. I encourage you to have a look at it and see if it will fit your sort of situation. And it certainly does help around Christmas time, as I've experienced. So yeah, it's called Acorns. Check it out on the App Store, and it might be quite handy for you. Thanks for watching.